You've read the books. You've seen the movies. But now, it's time to live it. Feel it. Breathe in the smell of butterbeer. Taste every flavor at Honeydukes. Wander through the corridors of Hogwarts Castle. Take flight on the Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey ride. Be chosen by your wand at Ollivanders and become its master. Navigate the dark passages of Diagon Alley. Battle through the endless underground vaults of Gringotts. And explore places you only dreamed of. It's all waiting for you. Every story, every moment, every spell.
Almost maximum.
Right before your eyes. The Wizarding World of Harry Potter, only at Universal Parks and Resorts in Orlando, Hollywood, and Japan. So prepare yourself, for when you're here, everything is larger than life. Laughter is endless. Fast and Furious is our only pace. Action is on another level. And everything comes to life, including you. Welcome to Universal Parks and Resorts, a universe unlike any other.